morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. I went to Family Dollar. I've been kind of skipping Family Dollar just because it's a Saturday and usually we have some family plans, but I decided to go because I could not let the deals go by. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So the first thing I got is the Gain laundry detergent. This was on sale for $4.95. I used a $2 off digital coupon. You would just get this for $2.95. I did the same deal with the Tide. It was on sale for $4.95 with a $2 digital coupon. And I use the app when I'm in the store. I like scan everything, make sure everything goes good and stuff like that, yeah. Then I also got the Tide Pods. The Tide Pods were $4.95 again. I used a $2 off digital coupon, making these $2.95. So right now, I have $9 worth of product just for those three things that I got. I also wanted to get this easy freebie, but my shelf was sold out. And in my store, I kind of walk around and they have a Febreeze display, and this was marked as $5. And I'm like, okay, what? So I read the tag that said it was $5. It was for something totally different. So I'm like, sweet, they were not sold out. They had these. So this is originally $3.25. It was on sale this week for $3. But then there is a $3 off digital coupon. We also got some insert coupons too if you want to do that. But there is a $3 off digital coupon. This comes out to be just for free. And then I ended up getting the Colgate Cavity Protection Toothpaste. Now these were $2 a piece, and there's currently a 5 off of 3 digital coupons. So you want to get $6 worth of toothpaste. $6 worth. Use that 5 off of 3. These come out to be just $1 or like 33 cents a piece if you guys need to do that. And then the last deal that I got is the Bic razors. Now these were $3.25 and I had a $2 off digital coupon, making this just $1.25. So I love it when the cashiers like push that total button and then they're like, wow, that's awesome. So my grand total before coupons factored in was $27.10. I ended up using $16 of digital coupons, but then I had that 5 off of 25 Saturday only deal to make it $21 worth of savings for digital coupons. So my grand total came to $6.10 for everything. I think that's a great deal. $6.10, that comes out to be just 76 cents a piece. 76 cents a piece. Now I usually say don't pay for toothpaste, which you could say the toothpaste was for free. And, you know, you could add a little bit more to the other items, but I think that's a pretty good deal. 76 cents for everything. So everything went by smoothly. I was pretty excited for that. Don't forget to submit your receipt to the P&G if you guys have not done that. I keep forgetting to do that. But other than that, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.